Hey, after 15 years of use, decided to retire the corded home light 17-inch hedge trimmer that I have. Figured it's time to move up in power, stop destroying my extension cords by cutting through them with this. We're going to move up to the Ryobi 1 Plus 18-volt high-performance brushless 22-inch cordless hedge trimmer. Okay, this model is the P2608. It's got a cutting capacity of up to 3/4 of an inch. So let's get it out of the box and take it out and give it a shot. So we got the unit out of the box. It comes like this, 3 pieces. You've got your hedge sweep, debris remover, that we'll put on here in a minute. Nice and easy. Comes with a manual. Make sure you read through and read all the warnings and the how to use. I've read through this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put on the debris deflector, which is this. And then we're going to try it out and see how this actually works. We're going to slide this on, make sure that the angled part is in the back for the hand shield. We'll put that on. Slide that puppy on. And there we go. Got the blade guard, so we're going to take that off for right now. And we're going to go ahead and take it, put a 4-amp-hour battery in it, and we'll give it a try. So we'll make sure we're off. We'll get it fired up. See if there's any difference. We're going to go ahead and put in a 6-amp-hour battery just to see if there's any change. A little bit difference in the power. Like anything, if you're going to do any work or do anything around the actual blade, make sure you remove the battery. This is your little safety switch. And under here is your actual on-off power. So you have to turn this on before you pull up to operate. You can hear that click. So let's take this out back and give it a shot and see how well we trim and if this hedge sweep debris remover is actually worth it. All right, so we're all set. Got the battery in. Took off the blade guard. Let's go ahead and then try this out and trim up this bush. All right, so the hedge sweep actually works. Actually got pretty much everything cleaned off. Good solid running, and really like this. And we'll go ahead and try trimming one more thing. So let's try and get some thicker material and see if it bogs down and see how it handles. So we're ready to go. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. That's what I'm talking about. There's no bog down. Cut right through everything. 3/4 of an inch thickness cutting through, no problem whatsoever. This is a great addition for everybody for their yard cleanup, and it's perfect timing for the fall. And remember, I'll see you in the shop, and we'll take a look at another tool in future episodes. And don't forget, if you like this, make sure that you like it and subscribe, and you can actually join the adventure down at the bottom of the screen on YouTube. Or you can send a thanks and help us out with testing and reviewing more tools.